Dear students, how are you? I hope all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Him, the Most High. Dear students, you know that we are continuing our class on the sense of transformation on simple, compound and complex. Accordingly, today I am going to take this class on this item. So all of you students, I am Abul Hashim speaking before you over this online class. Dear students, take your exercise book and other necessary items and keep your eyes on the online class very carefully. Today, I am going to change a simple sentence into complex sentence, and then the same simple sentence we can change into compound sentence, so that our students and viewers and the other person who are eager to know about this, they can easily understand how can be changed a simple sentence into compound sentence or also into complex sentence. So, come on. Dear students, if the simple sentence is with, or if the formation of simple sentence in this way, subject plus verb plus object plus present participle. Present participle. If the formation of simple sentence is subject plus verb plus object plus present participle, we can change this type of simple sentence into complex sentence by following the following structure, and the structure is subject plus verb plus object plus relative pronoun. Relative pronoun according to this object. Relative pronoun according to this object plus to be verb plus present participle with its extension. With its extension. So, dear students, you can see here two structure. One is subject plus verb plus present participle. It's a structure of simple sentence. It's a structure of simple sentence. And if you change this type of simple sentence into complex sentence, you have to follow this structure carefully, and it's a structure of complex sentence. It's a structure of complex sentence. So, if you find this type of simple, any simple sentence, you can change into complex sentence by following this structure, and the structure is subject plus verb plus object, relative pronoun according to this object, and then to be verb according to the tense used in this sentence, and present participle with its extension. So I can give you an example here to clear it to you. Simple sentence. I saw a bird flying in the sky. I saw a bird flying in the sky. It's a simple sentence with present participle. It's a simple sentence with present participle. Now we are going to change this simple sentence into complex sentence by following this structure here. Complex sentence. How can you change this sentence into complex sentence? We can use this structure to change this simple sentence into complex sentence, such as subject plus verb plus object plus relative pronoun according to this object. So we can use here which, and then to be verb was here. According to tense, we have to use was here as to be verb, and then present participle with its extension. Here present participle is flying in the sky with its extension. So I can write here flying in the sky. And the sentence we get here, and that is I saw a bird which was flying in the sky. It's a complex sentence and it's a simple sentence. So using this structure of complex sentence, we can change this type of simple sentence into complex sentence. So I saw a bird flying in the sky. If we change this sentence into complex sentence, we find this sentence in this way. I saw a bird which was flying in the sky. So dear students, follow the example very carefully and then try you another way to change this type of simple sentence into complex sentence. Now I can take another example for you. Dear students, if you find here pronominal object, dear students, if you find here pronominal object, you have to change this type of simple sentence into complex sentence in another way. So, do you know what is called pronominal object? Remember that every personal object is pronominal object. Every personal object is pronominal object. Every personal object is called pronominal object, such as which are pronominal object? Me, us, you, him, her, them. They are personal object. Obviously, they are called pronominal object. They are called pronominal object. These are called pronominal object. Remember it. And if you find any of them, any of the object in this sentence, you have to change this type of sentence into complex sentence in another way. How can you use this? Follow the structure. At first, subject plus verb plus when or that plus subject form of the pronominal object. Subject form of the pronominal object. Pronominal subject form of the pronominal object plus to be verb plus present participle with its extension. present participle with its extension. Dear students, if you find any pronominal object as an object in this sentence, you have to change this type of simple sentence into complex sentence following this structure, such as subject plus verb. You can use here when or that, and then subject form of the pronominal object. The pronominal object you can find here, and then to be verb according to the tense, and then present participle with its extension. So I can give you another example here, such as I saw him going to school. Obviously, it's a simple sentence. We can change this sentence into complex sentence by following this structure, such as I saw that oblique when. Subject form of this pronominal object he, and then to be verb according to tense we can use here was, and then rest of the portion of the sentence or present participle with its extension. So I have to write here going to school. So I saw that when he was going to school, it will be a complex sentence here. It's a simple sentence. When you change this simple sentence according to this structure, you can find this type of complex sentence here, and that is I saw that he was going to school, or I saw when he was going to school. It's a formation of simple sentence, and then you can change it into complex sentence. Dear students, follow the rules very carefully and remember it in your memory, and then you can be able to change this type of sentence into complex sentence very easily. And now come on, another rules of changing simple sentence into compound sentence, and that is, if you find any simple sentence with this structure, such as subject plus verb plus object plus present participle, if the formation of simple sentence is subject plus verb plus object plus present participle, you can change this type of simple sentence into compound sentence using the following structure, such as at first you have to write subject plus verb plus object, and then you have to use a conjunction or coordinating conjunction here, and then you have to use the subject form of the object, according to this object, according to this object will be a subject form, and you have to take here its pronoun forms of subject here, and then to be verb and present participle with its present participle with its extension. Present participle with its extension. If you follow this structure, you can easily this type of simple sentence into compound sentence, such as simple. I saw a bird flying in the sky. I saw a bird flying in the sky. Compound sentence. I saw a bird and it was flying in the sky. I saw a bird and it was flying in the sky. I saw a bird and it was flying in the sky. It's a compound sentence. It's a compound sentence. And if you follow this structure, you can easily change this simple sentence into compound sentence easily. And then another way, if you find here any pronominal object here, you have to use another structure, such as I saw him going to school. So here is we find a pronominal object. This type of simple sentence you have to change into compound sentence using the following structure. Such as at first you have to use the subject form of the pronominal object. Pronominal object. Subject form of pronominal object, then to be verb plus present participle with its extension plus and plus rest of the sentence. And then rest of the sentence. Subject form of the pronominal object plus to be verb plus present participle with its extension and plus rest of the sentence. So if I follow this structure to change this simple sentence into compound sentence, we can find the compound sentence in this way. He was going to school and I saw him. He was going to school and I saw him. So if you follow the rules of regulation very carefully, I can easily at your home you can change this type of simple sentence into complex sentence, and then you can change it into compound sentence easily. So dear students, time does not permit me today, so see you another day. Be careful about your studies and go on your studies well to follow the rules of sanitation and be well at your home. Assalamu alaikum.